Saving PDF without white borders. These templates are designed to look the most awesome when the colors go all the way to edge. In order to retain this when saving as a PDF, you'll need to do the following. 1. In Word file, go to Page Setup. 2. Settings, Page Attributes. 3. Format for any printer. 4. Paper size, click here and then click on Manage Custom Sizes. 5. Click to add new size, name it PDF Borderless. 6. Set the paper size as 210 mm by 297 mm, or 8.27 by 11.69 inches, for A4 size, and 215.9 mm by 279.4 mm, or 8.5 by 11 inches, for US letter size. 7. Make sure non-printable area says user-defined, and change margins in boxes to 0. 1. Under File, select Save As. In the window that opens, select Format as PDF. 2. Select Save to save your new Borderless PDF. Thanks for watching.